All right, and so here we are at yet another section of our stage right next to the ziggurat on the other side. If you remember in the other video, you would have seen we have a big globe on one side. On the opposite side, we have a waterfall. Now, our ziggurat was very difficult to build, and so a lot of the stuff on the outsides was very simple to build. We knew we were going to be spending so much time on our centerpiece, our focal point of our set, that we wanted everything else to come together very quickly. Okay, so this is just a very flat wall of cardboard that was painted by our amazing painters over a few weeks. They made it look like a waterfall scene, okay? And behind here, we actually use what's called a stage flat. If you've seen any of my videos over the past years, we always use stage flats. Stage flat is a very simple thing. It is a 4-foot by 8-foot wooden frame with a piece of Luan or 1/4-inch plywood on the front of it. It makes a little 4-foot by 8-foot wall. So we have a few of those stage flats right here. We built a little wall. We have one here, one next to it, and one up high. Once we built that wall, we just slapped the cardboard on, stapled it into place, screwed it into place, and we had a waterfall within minutes, okay? It takes a while to paint it, but it doesn't take very long to build it. So having stage flats and the leg brackets that we call stage jacks can make your sets come together very quickly. And so build a few of those every year, keep them, okay, and reuse them. You'll be so glad that you have them. All right. You saw we have our trees over here. We call these our broccoli trees because they look like a giant piece of broccoli layered up next to it. Those are independent, so they can be moved around from place to place, some more greenery. We have above our video screen the second half of our Incredible Race logo, and so that's up there where all the kids can see it. We have some spotlights that shine on that when all the kids are here. And again, we trimmed out our screens with that great black and white painted cardboard just to add a little bit more flair to our screens. And so all this stuff, it looks more complicated than it is. Like I said, this whole set went together in about 3 days, which is pretty amazing. For us even, it usually takes us 4 or 5 days. We were able to do this one in 3. And so big pieces like this take up a large area, and they go together very quickly. And so with a little bit of prep work, you can really have a huge impact on your stage. So that takes care of our stage. The last thing that we're going to be talking about is how we build the ziggurat.